Okay, we're gonna unlock the new Apple Watch 8, Series 8. This is just an unboxing, and we're gonna unpack it, see how it looks. Alright, it comes like that. It's packaging, always with the Apple. This is the Nike edition. It should be. It doesn't say it here. Yeah, this only says an aluminum case. Weird. I think they sent me the wrong one. Interesting. It's supposed to be the Nike edition. It doesn't say Nike edition anywhere. Alright, let me see. It's the one-handed unboxing. Got two little taps to remove on each side. Do that. And boom, here. Signed in California. Series 8, 45mm Apple Watch with the Nike bands. So they got the bands right, but let's see. Because normally it will say Nike on the bottom. Let's see if it says Nike. Sorry about the lighting. I just really quick wanted to unboxing and shoot a video really quick before everybody else post it. Yeah, this doesn't say Nike anywhere. Like my old one. Here, I have a Series 5 on right now. Let me take it off really quick so you guys can see. Give me 1 second. On the bottom of it, it said Nike. See, it has the Nike logo on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. There. You can see it right there. On the corner right there. Has a Nike logo. I think they sent me the wrong one. I'm going to have to call Apple and see I got the right one. So, alright, that's the unboxing of the Apple Watch Series 8. I might have gotten the wrong one, unless they're just sending this to everybody, and maybe there's some software inside that says Nike, but so far it doesn't look like to be the Nike. So, alrighty, talk to you later. Bye.